Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Agam. Okay. Please confirm everyone is able to see Agam's screen.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So just let's make sure that we are following what Agam is going to do, and then I'll come to your screens also. Okay. One by one, I come to everyone's screen. Agam, let's do one thing. Let's close this one. Just click over here. Let's close it.
At this.
Yes, please close it. So we will start from the very basics. Okay. Now, what you see cat over here, this is known as a sprite. Okay. And all the sprites that you're going to work with on this workshop will come over here. Okay. Any activity that you do, you will do it on a sprite. So just remember, if I tell you that go and select a sprite, then whatever you see over here will be a sprite. For example, cat is a sprite as of now. Agam with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, we have to make sure this cat can move. To make some action, we have got blocks on the left hand side. So we'll just drag and drop the move block. Let's drag and drop the move block and just click on that move block. Please click once. Okay. And now, so when you click on once, please click once again on that move block. So cat is walking, but cat is not walking continuously. We want cat to keep on walking. For that, we'll go to control. Go to control, please. Over here, control block. Click on the control block and then drag and drop forever over here. We want it to walk forever. And now click on the forever block. So cat is walking forever. Okay. Agam with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let Gurvinder share the screen. Agam, do you know how to stop sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Gurvinder, what we need to do, whatever other people are doing, we have to do it on our screen also. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, all right. The very first thing, we have to select a sprite. To select a sprite, yes, very good. Click over there, then click on this glass, magnifying glass, very good. And type the word cat or search for that animal. Okay, let's select the first one, cat, very good. Then we'll go to the move blocks and we will drag and drop the move block because we want this cat to walk. Very good. Then we'll go to control block because we want this cat to walk continuously. So drag and drop the forever block over here. Everyone has done this?
Yes,
sir. Everyone done? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No.
Now, who has not done that?
Me.
Okay, Rohan. Okay. Where are you stuck, Rohan? Like which part you did not do?
I'm not doing anything right now. My dad's just fixing it.
Can you send the link, Pali?
Okay. Right. Okay. I have pinged on the Zoom chat.
Sir, we have to open this URL.
No, you have opened it. It's just that Rohan did not have that URL. So he's going to open it again.
Yes, sir.
And this is your link.
Okay. What do you mean password?
Okay, follow. Instruction. Okay.
Okay, Rohan, if you can share your screen, I can see what you have done. Govinda, you have to stop sharing.
How did I stop? How do you do it?
Arav, I'll come to you also after some time, okay?
Yes, sir.
But you have added these two blocks, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Not yet, in fact. There would be a share screen button on the Zoom. Yes, I can see it. Okay, all right. Now let's start. So Rohan,
Yeah, I know what to do.
okay, you know what to do, correct? So you will drag and drop move block. You'll go to control and you drag and drop that.
Forever repeat.
Forever, very good. Okay, now we want this cat to say something. Okay, we will go to the looks block. Let's go to the looks block and drag and drop the first block, say hello block, the first block. And put it on the very top, just above the forever loop. Very good. And let's say, change it from hello and cat will say, oh, it's a very nice evening, or it's a good morning. Okay, nice morning, something
Say
like that.
whatever you want.
What do you want to type?
I'll just
Whatever you wish to type. Okay.
Okay.
For others, they can type it's a nice evening or my name is Kitty, whatever you guys want to type. Naman, you have done this?
Yes, sir. Almost.
Okay. Okay. Then let's do one thing. Now, can you click on this particular block, the first block, say block? Let's click on the say block.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what? Sir, which block?
The very first block, the say block. So are you able to see Rohan's screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just let's make sure whatever blocks Rohan has added, let's make sure you also add the same blocks. Okay.
I've added the same box only.
Very good. Okay. Now, whenever Rohan cat is hitting the edge, it is not coming back. Okay. We have to make sure that comes back also. Rohan, let's go back to motions again. And there would be a block which says if on edge bounce. No, wait. Let's scroll down. There would be a block which says if on edge bounce, and then put it after move 10 blocks. Very good. And now let's try it.
I bet you should go bounce around.
Let's see what happens. Okay.
By 6 seconds.
Okay, very good. Now let me go to Arav's screen. Arav, if you can share. Rohan, you have to stop sharing so that Arav can share. Arav, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to share. Okay. Okay, Arav, waiting for you to share.
Sorry, sir. My connection is poor. I can't hear you.
Okay, can you share your screen or not? You can switch off the video and see whether your connection becomes better or not. Switch off the video.
Sir, you can chat.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you share your screen, Arav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Arav. Now, you have to add one more block, Arav, because after move 10 step, we have to go to motion and add one more block, which says if on edge, bounce. Go to motion block. Go to motions over here. Just click on the motion. And scroll down, you will see a block which will say if on edge, bounce.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then just drag and drop below the move 10 steps.
Sir, I can't see the screen share.
Yes, probably is having connection issue. So Naman, can you share now your screen?
Yeah, sir, I can share screen.
Arav, you can switch off your video because you're having connection problem, right? You can switch off your video. I can see, okay. Your bandwidth will become better. Okay, so everyone, I just want to make sure has done this thing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Naman.
Sir, actually, I have to put in the password. So, can I go and ask my father what's the password?
Yeah, please go ahead.
पासवर्ड लिख दो ना यहाँ पे शेयर स्क्रीन का करना है पासवर्ड क्या है पासवर्ड लिख दो नहीं आई डू Sir, now can you see my share screen?
Yes, I can see it. Very good. Okay. Now let's add more blocks on it. Okay. So whenever it is going and touching the bounce, can you click on the first block? Can you click over here and let me see what your code is all about? Click over here on the first block. Now just click on here on the first block.
Oh, sir, on this.
Yes, please click over here. Yeah, I just want to see what you have done. Okay, very good. Now when it is coming back, its head is down, it's upside down. We have to fix that particular thing, correct? So let's
Sir,
stop.
I think this is because of if one edge bounce.
Yes, so if you can stop your code, let's click on this red button, stop your code. Then in the motion block, okay, Naman, if on the motion block, we have something called as, please scroll down, keep on scrolling down. Wait, scroll up. Just wait there. Drag and drop this over here. Set rotation style after, no, After if on edge. Yes, very good. After if on edge.
After if on edge, sir, it's if on edge. Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, thank you. Now again click over here and show me. Just click over, very good. Now it is coming back correctly. Everyone with me?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Rohan. Gurvinder, you have done this?
It doesn't look like he's walking.
Yes, we will make cat walk also. Gurvinder, you have done this? Gurvinder, just waiting for you to confirm you have done this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now we will change the costume of the cat. Okay, because we want the cat legs to move.
Oh,
Okay,
I
to
don't
do
need to
that,
cost.
we'll go to looks over here and drag and drop the next costume
Next
over
costume.
here. Yes, after move 10 blocks.
This.
No. Go to your code.
Yes, sir. I can see that. Next costume, sir. Where to? What?
After move 10 blocks. After move 10 blocks. Very good. Okay. And now let's see how it looks like.
Oh, sir, it's
Okay.
working.
Very good.
Rush
Okay.
walking.
Okay, now it is going very fast, correct? Okay, so now let me go to Gurvinder's screen. Okay, Gurvinder, please share your screen. Agam, you are doing all this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, when it is coming back, can you stop your code? Gurvinder, please stop the code. Yes, very good. You have to drag and go to looks. There is a next costume. Put it after move 10 blocks. Yes, drag it and put it over there. Very good. Okay. Now, what we will do, it's going too fast. Okay. So we'll go to control. Let's go to control again. There would be a wait block. Let's drag and drop the wait block. Okay. And do it after next costume and make wait as 0.5 after next costume. Do it after next costume. Okay. Just move this wait block after next costume.
So it's done.
Okay. So let everyone do it. Okay, very good. And now let's see how it looks like. Okay, so now it is slow, correct, right? Because we have introduced a wait over here. We're waiting for something. If it is very slow for you, then make wait as 0.1. If it is very slow, then change it to 0.1. So this way you can control how fast or slow your sprite will walk or run. Okay. Everyone with me?
Yes.
Okay, Rohan, please share your screen now.
Wait.
Hello, Bhavik. Okay, Rohan.
So we are facing some internet issues, so got disconnected.
No problem. So we just added one more block. Okay. So last time when Arav was sharing, just added one more block as of now. Arav, you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just make sure you are able to add these blocks. If I'll just wait for you to come and add the blocks the way it has been added right now. Rohan, your cat is walking very smoothly. Very good. You're done wait of 0.1 second, right? Okay, very good. Now what we will do, we will add a backdrop to this particular thing. Now let's go and click on backdrop over here.
Where?
On the bottom right, you will have a backdrop on the bottom right. Yes.
Okay, those.
Let's select jungle or something over here. Just search something which looks like a jungle.
Oh, okay, jungle.
Yes.
Outdoor.
Or you can select these woods as such. Let's select the woods.
So can we do whatever we want?
Which one do you like to have?
Nebula, he's just swimming through space.
But cat on space may not look good, right? So we have to show cat is in a forest. Okay.
There's a jungle. See, there's a jungle.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's in a forest.
Click on that.
Okay, so everyone has done this?
Are we gonna put another sprite?
Yes, we will add one more sprite also after some time. Okay, Agam, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about you, Arav?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, I'll wait for you. So, how much have you completed so far, Arav?
So, I'm on set rotation style.
Okay, all right. Okay, so far let's reiterate. Okay, what we have done, we have a cat. Cat is a sprite, and we have made cat walk. To walk, we have used a move block. Then we wanted cat to make sure its legs are moving. For that, we made use of the costume. Okay, and then if it is going to hit on the edge, we want the direction to be changed. Okay, that's why we have used so many blocks over here. Agam, can you share your screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can't share.
Okay, Rohan has to stop sharing, then you can share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very nice. You have chosen very good background. Now what we will do, Agam, we are going to add one more sprite. Okay, go over here and select another sprite. And let's select something with which we can scare the cat. Go to animals, and let's see with which the cat may be scared. Something like, do you have bat or something? Yes, bat over here. Which one do you think the cat will get scared?
The dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Okay, select dinosaur then. Okay, all right. So what we will do, after some seconds, we will show dinosaur on this particular game, and then cat will get scared and cat will start running. Okay. So now we are going to do coding for dinosaur. So we will select dinosaur over here. Let's select dinosaur. Everyone has done this?
Sir, I have selected a dog.
Okay, no problem. You can select dog. What was that, Rohan?
I selected a panther.
Okay. Arav, you have done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to, so if you click on the cat again, let's click on the cat again. So cat is talking for 2 seconds, correct? With me? Cat is talking for 2 seconds. That means this dinosaur will appear after 2 seconds. So we will go to control. Now click on the dinosaur. Click on the dinosaur. Go to control, drag and drop wait, and make it 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, we are going to show the dinosaur. Okay, to show the dinosaur, but we have to go to looks again. Let's go to looks. Let's go to looks. There would be a block which will say show. Just try to find out. There will be block which will say show. Okay, very good. Over here. Okay, very nice. Very good. Okay. Then after this, this dinosaur is going to say boo. Okay, because dinosaur is going to scare the cat. So we'll go back to looks. There would be a say block. Yes, very good. Drag and drop after the show block. After the show block, and say boo. Or how do you scare someone? Okay, you can type that also. Okay, Naman.
Okay.
Now let me go to RF screen. Okay. Again, you have to stop sharing. Okay, very good. Say boo for 2 seconds. Very nice. Okay. Now when it's going to say boo for 2 seconds, now let's see. Now let's go back to the code for cat. Now click on the cat again. Very good. Go to say block again. And yeah, drag and drop the say block again over here. Over just after that. Yes. And over here say run, run, run. Okay. Now go to events and put a green flag over here. Go to dinosaur, go to the code for dinosaur, put a green flag over here, and then go full screen. On the right hand side, on the top right, you have full screen. Now click on this particular thing. Yeah. And let's see. Okay. All right. So, and now let's wait for it. Okay. And let's go to someone else's screen to see how they have coded. Okay.
Too far back.
I want to say something.
Yes, Naman, I'll come to you. Now you can share your screen, Naman.
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Yes, Naman, you have to share your screen first.
Sir, for that, he has to stop sharing.
Okay.
Sir, my question was, sir, if the cat is scared, then sir, why is it running, like going and coming back? If it's
Yes,
scared,
so we will change that also. Okay, we'll change it slowly. Okay. Have you done that? Just show me the code for the dog.
So
Show
for
me
the
what you
dog
have done. Wait 2 seconds. Boo. But can you add a green flag on top of it? Go to events. So there would be green flag. And for the cat also, show me you have added the green flag or not. Okay. And then please go full screen and show me what code you have written.
Are you doing Panther or which one?
Panther.
Okay. Now click on the green flag.
Sir, I'll click it, sir.
Okay. It's a nice weather. Boo. Okay. But your cat is not saying anything. We have to go back to your code. Now stop it and then click over here. Let's go back to your code again.
So,
Did you close everything?
sir, I went somewhere wrong.
Okay, you have to go and ask your father then.
Sir, I'm just changing it. Ah, sir, now it came back.
Okay, so now go back to your code. So whenever your dog is going to say boo, your cat has to say run, 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 correct?
Yes, sir.
Now let's add that thing. So you go to looks again, drag and drop this say block over here. and say run, run, run. Okay. Okay, now go full screen and show me your code again. Okay, very good. Now let me see what Gurvinder has done.
Can I
Can stop.
stop here?
Yes, please stop sharing. Gurvinder, waiting for you to share the screen.
I think I'm stuck on the Panther a little bit.
You are stuck on that. What is your Panther doing? I'll come to you, Rohan, after this, okay?
Yeah, let's wait 2 seconds and say boo for 5 seconds.
Okay, so you have to code for the dinosaur, right? You have not coded it for so, okay? So very first thing is we have to go to control block. We have to wait for some second, okay? Go to control, drag and drop the wait for 2 seconds. Make it 2 seconds. Then go to looks, drag and drop the say block. Say boo if you want to scare someone. Very good. Okay. And in the looks, just scroll down. And this is for everyone, okay? So you all should do it. When our program is going to start, we want this dinosaur not to be displayed. For that, we will drag and drop the hide over here, okay? So everyone should drag and drop the hide. Then wait for 2 seconds. After wait of 2 seconds, show me the dinosaur. Now drag and drop the show block after wait of 2 seconds. Are you guys getting me? Because you want to scare someone, okay? So when your program will start, dinosaur will not be displayed, and put a green flag over here. Go to events, event block, drag and drop green. Okay, very good. And now show me the code for the cat. Okay, very good. And then let's go full screen.
Start the green Maga.
Then let's go the full screen and show me the code. Yeah, please run it this. Okay, very good.
Whatever you do here, do it for the Panther.
Very good. Okay, very nice. Okay, now let me show what Rohan is doing. Thank you, Gurvinder.
Share the screen.
Naman, you have done that? You have
Yeah.
done the show and hide both?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The show. So
That's
where
why-
is the show?
So when you are, I'll come to you. So just have a look at what Rohan has done. Okay, so Rohan is saying, first let's hide it. Then after 2 seconds, you have to show it again. Okay, so Rohan, what you need to do, go back to looks again. Go to looks. There will be show block. Okay, very good. Just drag and drop after 2 seconds. Yes. And now let's go full screen and show me your code running. Let's stop. If you can go full screen and show me your code running. On the right hand side, you have a full screen option, right? Expand screen.
Okay. Can do you make the panther move again?
Panther also will make it move, but if you can just, what I want to make sure is that whenever you run your code, always run in the full screen. So on the right hand side, right? So
Like
top
this
right, yes, please click over there. Now stop your code, click on the red one and then run it again. Yeah, please click on the green again. Okay, at the start, your cat is not there, then it comes. Okay, all right. Okay, but your cat is running after. Okay, let's go back and fix your code again. Let's go to your code and stop your code first. Let's stop your code. Okay, you're saying you're saying it for how long? What is this? 5 seconds. No, show me the code for cat.
Okay.
I play battle cats. Okay, so if you are saying it for 5 seconds, okay, then your panther should appear after 5 seconds. So now go to your panther code. Go to the code for the panther and make from 2 seconds, make it wait for 5 seconds. Change 2 to 5 because.
Oh wait. So it was. Wait, which one was it again?
Wait block in the control. You have wait block. Yes. After height. After.
Up here.
Right.
Yes, very good. Okay. And make it wait as 5 seconds. So I just want to make sure you understand why we are doing 5 seconds. For the first 5 seconds, your cat is talking. During that time, your panther is not visible, so it is hidden. After 5 seconds, we are going to show your panther. Okay, now go full screen and show me the code. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, as soon as I boo and then say run, you start running. Very good. Now let me go to Agam's screen. Okay, Agam, please share.
Stop sharing.
Sir,
Yes, Aaron.
it looks better if we wait for 2 seconds before cat says run, run, run.
Okay, but Rohan wanted to wait longer. That's okay, all right. Okay, Agam, can you show me again? Okay, thank you. All right, ooh, okay, run. Okay, now let's go and improve our code. Okay, so let's go back to the code again and stop it. Okay, very good. So can you do one thing over here? Okay. When the cat is running, no, keep it over there. Keep it over. I just first want to explain you guys. Okay. So cat has to run away from this dinosaur. Correct, Agam? That means we have to change the backdrop. You with me, Agam? So choose a different backdrop now. Go and choose a backdrop because if cat is running away, select any other backdrop. You can select a beach also. Okay, all right. Everyone has selected some other backdrop. Yes, no.
I mean, no, sorry. Let me. I thought this was the right.
That's okay.
So we have to change it? It may not be correct.
Everyone has selected a backdrop?
Yeah, a different one. Selected Savannah.
Okay, all right. So now what we will do, Agam, we have to go to control again sorry, go to events, sorry. Let's go to events. There would be a block which will say broadcast. Do you see anything by name broadcast? Very good. Very nice.
Where do we put it?
Everyone has seen that broadcasting?
Yeah. Message 1.
Yes. Wait. Do not put it anywhere. Wait, just keep it outside for the timing. I just want to make sure everyone has found that.
Yes.
Okay, I'm waiting yes from others also. Okay. Do one thing, place this broadcast.
So we have to go broadcast message 1 or
Yes, broadcast.
message.
Broadcast message 1. Place it after if on edge bounce.
After if or edge bounce.
Yes.
So yes.
Can you paste it over here? After
Where?
this. After set
Yes,
rotation
done,
style.
Done.
After set rotation style, let's put that. Okay. Very good, Agam.
It's focused. I'll do it.
Rohan, you have done this for the cat. Arav, you have done this.
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yep.
So done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir?
very good.
Done.
Yes, Naman.
Sir, actually there's a problem in my dog's coding, I think so.
Okay, I'll come to you then. Okay, but have you added that block or not, Naman?
Yes, sir, I've added it.
Okay, very good. Now, Agam, go and click on this backdrop. No, the backdrop, the stage backdrop over here. Let's not over there. On this backdrop where I'm marking with the red as such. On the right hand side, I'm marking with red. Can you see it? Yes. Please click over. Everyone has done that. Now we are going to do. Now we are going to do a coding for the backdrop. Everyone with me?
Wait.
Everyone?
No, I never got there.
You did not get.
So press the backdrop.
Okay, Naman. Okay, if you can share your screen, Agam, just stop sharing. So all we are doing is the cat is running away, so we have to change the backdrop. Okay, Rohan, if you can share your screen.
So what do I do?
Click over here on the stage. I've just marked it with red. No. Go to your right. Go to your right. Yeah. Click on that stage. Very good. Just click over there. Okay.
I'm clicking.
Yes, that's okay. You just need to click. Everyone has done. We will now do coding for the backdrop. Everyone with me? So now go to looks.
Yes.
Okay. Go to looks and say switch backdrop. Drag and drop the first one. No, the first one. Switch backdrop. Okay. And what was your first backdrop? Select your first backdrop in this drop down. Your first backdrop was forest. What was the name of your backdrop? Forest, I believe. Okay. If you don't know what is the name of your backdrop, then go and click over here to find out your backdrop name. Okay. So this is forest, right? So your first backdrop is forest, correct? Now let's go to code again. So what we want to make sure, whenever this program is going to start, your backdrop should be forest. With me, Rohan?
Yeah.
So we will place a green flag over here. Let's put a green flag over here.
Okay.
Events, put a green flag. So when the program starts, it should be forest. Then go to events again. There will be something called as when I receive.
Yeah, I'm in events. Wait, what do I press?
When I receive this particular one, this one. Yes.
Put it where?
Just put it over here. Yes. So we are saying when I receive a particular message, if you remember, cat is broadcasting a message. Do you remember? We have in our code.
Yeah.
Cat is. So when I receive message 1, we should switch our backdrop. So we will switch our backdrop. So again, go to your looks. Go to looks. Naman, you're following or not?
Yes, sir, I'm following. So,
And say switch backdrop, the first one. Drag and drop that below it, below the when I receive one. Okay, so just make sure what we are doing. When our program is going to start, it will show me the forest. As soon as cat is going to broadcast a message, we will switch this to a different backdrop. Okay. Now let's go full screen and test your code.
Wait. He played with Lucas.
Okay. With me?
Yeah.
All right. So we have switched the backdrops. Everyone with me? Naman, you have done this?
sir, but I don't want to change the backgrounds.
You don't want, but then if you have to show that cat is running away, that means the backdrop will change. Otherwise, how will you show cat is going to run away from the dinosaur you have, or what you have?
Sir, but it is again going back and then stopping.
Yes, so we will fix that, right? So have you changed the backdrop or not?
No, sir, I'll just do it.
Okay. Do you need any help to change it?
Yeah, sir, because there is a problem with my dog or cat coding.
Okay, so please share your screen. Arav, you have done that, Arav?
Sir, I'm confused on backdrop too.
Okay, I'll come to your screen. Gurvinda, you have done it?
So were you telling me to do something right now?
You have to stop sharing, Rohan.
Okay.
Okay, let Naman share now. Gurvinda, you have done it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's see what is. Okay, so what do you want to do, Naman? Please tell me first.
I think there is a problem with my cat's coding. Sir, just see this.
Okay, so now let's go to your code again.
Yes, sir.
First, stop your code. Click on the red one, stop your code.
Stop. Yes, sir.
Go and click on this particular one to show your cat. I've just marked it on your, show your cat. Okay, now go full screen again.
Full screen.
Yes, and show me your, run your code again. Sorry, please run your code again in full screen. Okay, all right. So far good?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to do coding for the backdrop. So let's go back to your cat again. Your broadcasting. So now click on the backdrop. Have you selected any backdrop or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, I've first selected this background.
Okay, please click over there. Yeah, click on this backdrop. Then click on the green flag. So when our program starts, whenever we click on the green one, yeah, please click on this. Then go to looks. We want switch backdrop over here. Yes, switch backdrop. How many backdrops do you have right now, Naman?
Sir, I'm only one background. Sir, should I make two backgrounds now?
Yes, please select the second backdrop also.
So the second back. Oh, so sorry.
No problem.
This. Well, he ran away too. Sir, I'm here.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now click on your backdrop code again. Okay. All right. So when our program starts, will be jungle. Okay. Now go to events.
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 Sir, events.
Then when I receive, okay, drag and drop this one. When I receive. So there is a message which will come. Okay, when that message comes, just put it over here.
Sir.
When a message comes, we need to change the backdrop. So again, go back to looks and say switch backdrop, the first one. Yes, drag and drop over here. And now go full screen and show me your code. Sorry, please run your code. So whenever you go full screen, please run the code. It's a nice evening and a good weather, run, go. Okay, very good. Okay, everyone is able to do this or not?
Yes.
Okay, Arav, you can share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Please, why is he run to the dog?
yes, we will fix that. One by one, we'll fix it, okay?
Okay, I'll just not do anything until you get to me.
Okay. Okay, Arav, waiting for you to, okay. Now, but Arav, just show me your code for the backdrop. Have you coded for backdrop? Okay, very good. Now, whenever the backdrop changes, we need this dinosaur to be disappeared. You with me, everyone? So now let's go and click on the dinosaur. Now click on the dinosaur. Click on the dinosaur. Very good. Then again, go to events. Say, do you have when I receive? When I receive. Then go to looks and say height. You want that dinosaur to be hidden. Scroll down. Okay, now let's run your code. Please go full screen and run your code.
So something went wrong because
Okay, we'll see as such one by one. Who? Run. Okay. All right. So let's see what you have done in the coding. Okay. Okay. Please show me your code again. Okay. Show me the code for the cat. So you are saying I am Kitty. Wait for 2 seconds. This weight you can remove. Let's remove this weight. Just one block. Okay. Okay. Then forever move 10 step, next costume, if on page, bounce, okay. Set rotation style, okay. Show me the code for your costume, backdrop. Which backdrop have you selected? Just click over here. And now click on the backdrops over here. Okay, you have to select one more backdrop, okay? Select one more backdrop from here because you want another backdrop to be displayed.
yes, sir.
Okay. Choose another backdrop. Okay, very good. Now let's go back to your code. Let's go back to your code. So over here in the switch backdrop to, yes, select forest. Okay, and now go full screen and show me how it looks like. Okay, very nice. Okay. So Arav, you know how to save your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can save your work. Okay, so now let me go to Agam. Agam, please share. Naman, you are able to follow, correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Agam, just show me the code for the backdrop.
None, sir, this is only the background.
Okay, very good. Now, let's go full screen and just show me what you have done. Go full screen. Okay, and click on the green. Okay, so your cat is not running. Okay, now let's go and fix your cat code. Okay, let's go back to the cat code. show me the code for the cat. Say thank you. Do you want to say thank you at the very start, or you want to say something else? What do you want to say? It's all up to you.
Only this I want to say.
Okay, you want to say this or that? Okay, then wait. This run should be over here. Okay, take out this run block outside of forever and put it after the say block. Yes, very good. Then this broadcast, put it after if on edge bounce. Very good. Now let's go full screen and show me your code. Okay. All right. Now let's go back to your code again. Let's try to do something else. Can you place this one over here, this cat over here? Okay. And now go full screen and run your code again. Okay, run. Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, Agam, do you know how to save your code?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can save it and I will talk to you again soon. Okay, thank you. So who is next now? Rohan, you want to go next or Gurvinder? Yes, Gurvinder, please share your screen. Okay. Please go full screen and show me. Please go full screen. Okay, stop it. Run your program. Hello, who? Run. Okay, we have to fix the code for you.
Okay.
Show me the code again for the cat.
Yes.
Okay, you're saying hello, then you're saying run for 5 seconds. And can you make this run for, instead of 5, make it only 2 seconds?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you're moving 10 steps. Next posting, very good. And show me the code for the dragon. Run, let's wait for 2 seconds over here. Okay, very good. And now show me the code for the backdrop. Now just show me the code for the backdrop. When click, switch. Okay, very good. When I receive message one, switch, very nice. Just show me now the entire code. Just run it. Okay. Hello, run, boo. Okay. So what we need to fix now is, now let's go back again.
Okay.
So very first second we are seeing hello. Okay. Now let's click on the dragon again. And dragon is waiting for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it is saying boo. Okay. So we have to wait for one more. So go back to cat. Go to cat.
Yes, sir.
Go to control. Drag and drop, wait one block over here. Wait for 1 second. Okay, and try to understand why we are doing this. Very first second, we are saying hello. Then we are waiting for 1 second. Okay, during that 1 second, let's see what dragon is doing. Go to dragon code. Dragon is waiting for 2 seconds and saying, okay.
Yes.
Now go full screen and show me how it looks like.
Okay.
Boo. Okay, very good. Now again, let's go back to your code. We have to make it perfect. Okay. Go to the cat code and wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so we have to say run only after dragon has said boo, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
now go to your full screen and show me. Okay, very good. Okay, very nice. So you can save your work, Gurvinder, okay?
Yes,
I
sir.
will talk to you soon, okay?
Okay, sir.
Who is next? Naman? Okay, Naman is not there. Who has not shown? Rohan, you have not shown it, right?
I never shown.
Okay, show me, Rohan. Okay, show me the code.
Maximize this.
Thank you. So what do I do?
If you can show me how it is, okay, you have coded or not? Okay, you have not done the entire coding, correct? Just show me what you have done so far. Just run your program and show me what you have done so far. Just go full screen and show me again. Okay, when I play Battle Cats. Boo. Okay. All right. Now let's go. So when you, okay, let's go back to your code again. So what we need to make sure, this panther should not be displayed in the next backdrop. Okay.
Wait.
You have to stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Please stop.
Wait.
Okay.
I'm waiting to it.
Okay.
Sir, I got disconnected.
Okay, Naman, I'll come to you after this. Okay. So yeah, Naman, I'll come to you after. So for
Sir,
this
I was just saying
panther,
that I got disconnected. Did you add anything?
I will come to you, Naman, after this. Okay. So when I receive this message, the panther should hide. So go to looks now. Go to looks. There would be a block which will be hide.
Wait, where is it?
Hide.
Just scroll
Hide.
down. Let's hide the panther. Okay. And now go full screen and show me your code again. Okay, very good. Boo, run. Okay, very nice. Okay. Ron, you know how to save your work, correct?
No.
You don't know how to save it. Okay, please stop it. Stop this. Okay. You have to go to file and then you can save to your computer. Okay. Right. So I'll talk to you soon, Rohan. Okay.
Okay.
So now, Naman, please share your screen.
Yes, sir, I'll just share it.
Let me stop sharing.
I can't share it.
You should be. Please try again.
Yeah, so now I can. Sir, but my work is not here.
Your work is not there. Where did it
Yes.
go?
Sir, I think when I got disconnected, sir, to find the password, sir, my father helped me to do that. So I think so he just deleted the web browser.
Okay, then let's do one thing. I'll share this recording with you, Naman. Can you practice it?
Yeah, sir, I'll do it.
All right. Then when we talk tomorrow, okay, right? Then you can show me. Okay.
Sorry, sir. So
Agam,
should I leave
anything?
or-
Yes, Naman. Thank you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Good night, Naman.
Thank you, sir.
Agam, anything else from your side? Any question you have, Agam?
Sir, my father have to talk to you.
Okay. I will stay back for that. Okay.
You can give your number.
Okay. I'll ping the number on the chat window. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can you copy it from there?
Sir?
Arav, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Gurvinder,
Yes, sir.
any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, please.
सर मैं इसको सेंड कैसे कर सकता हूँ? सेव तो कर
Okay.
सेव लिया.
So once you have saved it, to whom do you want to send that?
ये बताओ. Sir, how to share it?
Okay, so you cannot, so if you share it with someone, that person should also have the player to watch it. Okay. The
Okay.
best would be that you play it on your laptop from your camera, like from your phone, take a video of it, and then you can show it to others.
Okay. पर सर वो शो नहीं होगा, शो नहीं हो रहा.
Please share your screen and tell me. Okay, now if you go full screen again, go full screen again. So when you hit the green flag, that time you can record it on your mobile camera. And then if you want to share with someone what work you have done, then you can show it to them.
Okay sir. But sir, मैंने अगर मैंने जो पिछली जो वीडियोस बनाई है,
हाँ,
उनको शेयर करना है, वो कैसे करूँ? सेव किया हुआ है पर शेयर नहीं हो रही.
Share means you want to again open it and work on that.
Yes sir.
Okay, the same, you have to go to file over here, go to file. And then you
Yes.
say load from your computer. You have saved the work of today, right? Today work you have saved it, correct?
Yes sir.
Okay. So whatever work you did last time, so where did you save that work? You know?
पर वो शो नहीं हो रहा सर.
Okay. Wait. Go to downloads. Do you have a downloads? Go to downloads over here. No, over here, downloads. And when did you work? Scratch. Just open one of these. Yeah, let's open this. Say okay. Okay. All right. So this is what you practiced last time. Very good.
Yes sir.
Very nice. So tomorrow when we meet, you can just share it with me. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Okay, Rohan, any other question?
No.
Okay, Rohan, then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day, Rohan. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. You have a good day too.
Thank you, Rohan. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Gurvinder. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay sir.
Okay. Arav, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, then thank you. And please save your work. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Agam, do you want to talk on this particular Zoom or you want to talk it on the phone?
On the phone.
Okay, all right. Okay. All right. So after I end this meeting, then we can talk. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. Bye.